Disabilities in Drafting and CAD Design, a look into assistive technologies by John Thompson. Hi everybody, we're going to start off with an introduction on tapping into a new source of labor. Two of the industries in this country that are not utilizing people with disabilities are the architectural and engineering professions. Depending on the disability, there is no reason a person with a disability cannot contribute to the industry and be a valuable asset to a firm. While firms do design work for people with disabilities, the work is often done by people without disabilities. In this presentation, we will examine the ways we can accommodate people with disabilities, not only in terms of the workplace itself, but within the profession itself and open doors. Barriers in the industry. What keeps people with disabilities from a career in architectural or engineering firms? Educational requirements. Office universities not built to ADA standards. Safety concerns at job sites, ability to drive to job sites, and attitudes in the industry. Educational barriers. Engineering and architectural programs tend to be 5-year programs with a semester abroad. Per recent changes in laws, a degree in engineering or architecture is now required to work at a firm. Licensing also requires an accredited degree. Some universities are teaching these disciplines and are not set up for people with disabilities in their majors. Some majors may require you to look at classical ruins where mobility may be an issue. Roles in the industry. What jobs can people with disabilities do in an architectural or engineering firm? Office administrative support, CAD operators, project managers, designers, field surveyors, and human resources. What jobs can people with disabilities do in office administrative support? They can file paperwork, they can schedule appointments, email clients, answer phones, order supplies, and do invoicing and billing. What jobs can people with disabilities do as CAD operators in architectural or engineering firms? They can input sketches into the computer using CAD software, make drawing revisions, go visit the sites where possible, assemble sets of drawings, follow the firm's drawing practices or standards, coordinate with other departments. What jobs can people with disabilities do as a project manager in an architectural or engineering firm? They can mark up drawings to be revised, review drawings, delegate work from the architect, help define details in code review, and they can also perform human resource duties. High school. How can we train students with disabilities for an architectural major? We have to provide a controlled, accessible indoor measure area free of hazards normally found at a construction site. We're going to have the students measure empty classrooms and hallways with laser tapes in lieu of using traditional measure tapes where possible. A laptop computer with CAD software to draw the floor plan in lieu of using traditional paper and pencils. We'll allow voice command driven software where possible. We will work as a team, and those with mobility impairments can enter the measurements into the laptop computer and record the field conditions that they see. The Design Studio. Design Studio will provide accessible classroom and workstations with adjustable heights. We're going to limit or eliminate drafting board use. We're going to take the measured floor plan and make a design for the classroom based on a predetermined hypothetical client request. We're going to show how to organize a job folder. We're going to make the classroom reflect a typical architectural and engineering firm. This means the students will be very busy, their behavior will essentially be controlled, and it will be a quiet place to work. There will be no time for socialization because of the deadlines. We're going to organize the measured plan into design schemes using CAD software as a team. We're going to present ideas and drawings to the class as a team. We're going to create working drawings from a design and refine it by looking at codes and resolving issues. We're going to make construction drawings with plans, elevations, and sections and details and schedules that are coordinated using drafting standards. We're going to have drawings reviewed by the teacher and offer feedback to the class. The last thing we're going to do is have an architect come in to mentor the class to discuss their career background, where and why they went to school, and what they do now. And that pretty much will bring me to the end of this presentation. This is actually a companion to my website, which has more information and will be posted on my website.